Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix a supported game is required to use this feature GeForce Experience. Chapter 1. Start or restart NVIDIA service. We start by going to the Windows search engine to find the Services option and click on it. Here we will look for the NVIDIA Display Container LS option. Then we right-click on it and choose Start if this service is not yet active. If it is, we will try to click on the Restart option to restart it. Chapter 2. Update NVIDIA drivers. We open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, we enter the drivers section. Here we will click on the Check for Updates option, and if there are drivers available, we will install them. Chapter 3. Set up NVIDIA GeForce Experience. We open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application. After that, we enter the Settings and then General option. Here we will activate both the in-game overlay option and the Enable Experimental Features option. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.